Alright, welcome back. Today, Chef Dom and I have a challenge. We're gonna make our grandmother's eggplant parmesan. But instead of deep frying it or pan frying it, we're gonna go ahead and use an air fryer that Toshiba sent us. It's a 4-in-1 oven. I mean, today in these modern kitchens, you have so many gadgets that you have to use. But with this, with just one appliance. Right, get ready for all the flavor and a blanket of mozzarella cheese. All right, let's get cooking. All right, we're gonna start our egg batter and also get the breadcrumbs and the flour ready to bread the eggplant. Break open 4 eggs. All right, we have our panko here and our regular Italian style breadcrumbs. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put a little salt in here. Probably just a half a teaspoon. We're gonna salt this up with a half a teaspoon. Put a pinch of black pepper in there, pinch of black pepper there. Granulated garlic. Put about a half a teaspoon in there, half a teaspoon in there, and that's it. And then we're gonna put a little Reggiano Parmesan, about a tablespoon in there, and a tablespoon in the breadcrumb mix. Add about a tablespoon of parsley to the egg wash, and then about a tablespoon of parsley here in the breadcrumb. We'll mix it all up. We'll take our egg batter and mix that up. All right, now we're gonna peel and slice the eggplant. Anyway, so first thing we're gonna do is slice off the stem, a little bit on the back here. And then we're gonna peel this eggplant. Some people leave the skin on it. Personally, our family never did it that way. Plus, you know, it kind of ruins the texture of the eggplant.
It can also get really tough too.
Exactly. So we're just gonna go ahead and peel that. All right, now we're gonna slice this up. I'm gonna slice this up about 1 centimeter in thickness. All right, let's start breading these eggplant. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna dredge these in the flour. This helps the egg bind onto the eggplant.
Holds a little extra breadcrumb.
And then right here, we're gonna go bread them up, add them, get the sides, and there you go, you have it. I'll show you one more time. I don't want to bore you with me breading all of these eggplant. There we go. Flour. Boom. And that's it.
Very nice. We're gonna make some nice eggplant parmesan sandwiches today with that.
Oh yeah.
And a little bit of side of pasta.
All right, we're all ready for the air fryer.
That looks good. Gonna be nice. All right.
All right, we're gonna start air frying these eggplant. We're gonna go ahead and just layer these evenly. You don't want to overcrowd them. Boy, this fits twice the amount that a regular air fryer does.
Yeah, they're small, the baskets, right?
Yeah, they're real small.
Whatever those.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and spray this with some olive oil. Give it that little crispiness and a nice flavor. And we'll flip it over. Do the other side. There we go. Ready for the oven. All right, let's put these in the oven. All right, look at all that room you have back there.
That's nice.
Yeah, and then on top, take a look at that. It's got a fan on top with the heating element that helps even distribution throughout the whole entire oven. All right, let's place these in the oven.
Nice.
That has set it on air fryer mode. Go right there. Air fryer mode, 400 degrees, perfect. You can actually adjust it higher or lower. We're gonna keep it at 400. Press start. You can adjust the time. I'm gonna leave it at 15 minutes. We'll hit start again. All right, there we go. Like I said earlier, this 4-in-1 oven not only air fries, but it also bakes, broils, and is even a microwave. That's pretty amazing. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's see the results. Oh man, look at that. That looks perfect.
Nice and crispy, nice and light. Oh yeah.
That looks really good. Let's give it the crispy test. You hear that crunch? Nice and crispy. Eggplant is cooked perfectly in the middle. Mmm. Delicious. You can eat them just like this.
Oh yeah.
All right. Let's start putting together our eggplant parmigiana. All right, the eggplant is air fried. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this. We're going to go ahead and clean out this oven. It's real easy. Pull out this plate. You want to be careful because it's very hot.
Looks like it can be an easy cleanup in there.
What we do is we'll wipe it out. Nice and clean.
All right.
We told you that this was our grandmother's recipe. So we're using our grandmother's Corningware set. This thing is about 80 years old. She used to make eggplant in here all the time.
We've been eating out of that thing for 50-something years.
Yeah, for quite a while. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start layering the eggplant. Put about a scoop of, that's about 4 ounces of tomato sauce. Go ahead and get that whole bottom layered. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put the eggplant. And you want to cover the entire bottom. Sometimes we need to cut some eggplant to make it fit in there.
You got small pieces there.
All right, it's like a puzzle.
Hurry up, I'm hungry. I need a sandwich.
All right, now go ahead and put a little tomato sauce on each slice. And then we're going to put a little black pepper, a little Reggiano Parmesan. All right, and now we got some whole milk mozzarella.
Oh man.
So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some cheese on there. All right, repeat the process. Oh man, fit perfect. There we go. Some more sauce. This is our homemade tomato sauce. The black pepper. Reggiano. Mozzarella. Or some of you call it mozzarella back there.
Mozzarella. Or you can say it the Brooklyn way. Mozzarella.
Yeah. All right, this is the final layer. It's a 3-layer eggplant parmesan. Some more sauce. On the top layer, we want to put a lot of sauce. Some more black pepper.
Cheese.
Cheese. All right, now we're going to cover it up. Yeah. All right, now we're going to set the oven on bake mode. This is actually a combo. It's a bake and convection oven. Increase it to 425 to bake the eggplant and hit start again. And we're going to increase the time. We want to cook the eggplant for about 25 minutes. All right, this is the magic moment. That fits perfect. All right, we'll be back. All right.
Let's check out our eggplant. All right. Don't drop my lunch. I'm going to top it off with a little mozzarella. Yum, yum.
Top it off with this beautiful mozzarella.
Oh, it's so creamy. Make, you know, shrimp parmesan with that, you know?
Yeah.
That air fryer in there too. All kinds of stuff, man.
All right, now we're going to pop it back in and just melt the cheese. And what better way to do that? Just use the
broiler on there.
That's it. Okay, we're going to put it on broil. What I really like about this green here, I mean, it's so easy to use and I can see it. You know, we're getting old. All right, we'll be back. All right, moment of truth.
Oh, it's good.
Oh man, look at that. Look at this. The edges are bubbling. As you can see, this oven has a nice, even heat distribution. While this is resting, our Toshiba 4-in-1 oven is not. We're gonna go ahead and start making our eggplant Parmesan sandwich now. It's beautiful bread.
It is.
Now we're gonna put some sauce on it, on both sides. Beautiful. And now we'll layer our eggplant. Oh, look at that. Sandwich.
Sanguine?
Sauce. Oh, look at that. Let's put some black pepper. Some Parmesan. And then there's whole milk mozzarella.
Mozzarella. It's really good.
All right. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and use our air fryer feature again. Look at this, voila. Man, look at those sandwiches, baby.
Perfect.
The cheese is melted perfectly. It's in half. The bread is perfectly toasted. The cheese is nicely melted. Oh man, look
Looks
at
good.
that.
Oh man, it looks good.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh man, look at all that cheese.
And we got some beautiful pappardelle pasta here.
Oh man. You grab one of these little sandwiches here. Look at that eggplant. Wow. I can honestly say that this tastes just as good as frying it, maybe even better.
Perfect eggplant.
We really love this oven. Hey, if you're interested in purchasing this 4-in-1 oven from Toshiba, I'll have a link in the description. But you better hurry because I don't think those are gonna last on the shelves very long.
It's a nice piece of equipment.
Well, anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers and we'll see you guys next time. Ciao.
Take care. Bye.